Good morning. Good morning, guys. I hope you guys can see me. I'm excited because I'm on my way to go get my toes done. Yes, I'm getting my toes done in Jamaica. It's been a while since I've ever done anything nail-wise in Jamaica. But guys, I have not done my toes since like I don't know, in the teens of December before everything locked down in Canada. So my toes, I don't even want to show you guys my toes right now, okay? But they are that bad. They are that bad for my standards. Y'all can't really see me. But yeah, that's what's happening. See here, you know. So that means I go to right now. I'm on route. We're at the bus stop. We're at the bus stop waiting for a taxi. Every kind of life. No, but this is my life. I'm not really used to having. Oh God, bye. Guys, my toes are done. Look at that. Yes, girl. I feel so good now. How was it waiting for me? How was it waiting? It wasn't your playing game. Anyways, food time now. This is what I'm saying right now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it is now. Baby, I just don't put a look a seat here. Oh, yeah, the process wasn't that bad. The girl did go out in the tour, which I mean she's taking out all the impurities and all these things, but I have to look on it and watch it and make sure it's not sore up. It's sore right now. Red and sore and everything. Let me get a good little rub up. I get a good liquor rub up, like my foot smooth and everything. And so, babe, what time? What time? Bombat. We leave out to the house 10:30. I say we leave the house 10:30. I'm gonna say 11, not 11. Get this food and go home. We're actually not far from home, so that is really good. Baby, can you get me a water? Huh? Yeah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Zoisha.
Yeah, nah.
So guys, we are on the road. Babe has a bill to go pay. I'm gonna listen to the fruity. And then babe is about to embark on a journey.
New thing.
Babe is about to embark on a new journey.
New YouTube journey, that is.
Yeah, before me announce anything or anything like that, I'm gonna go help him out today and see how everything goes. I'm really excited for him though, because he's really excited. He came up with everything on his own, the whole concept, everything. Like, kudos to you. I'm really proud and excited for him. So I hope everything goes well, and then if it does, you guys will know more information. And I'll have all the links and everything that you guys need to go to. And them something there.
Everything I forgot go well.
So yeah, we're going to Sovereign right now. We are walking.
Yeah, and there you can't sell.
Hunting. So yeah, this is where we're walking right now. We're down under, yeah. I'm sweating. Literally, we're just walking, yeah. You see my shoes? You see my shoes? I'm out of breath already. I can't wait for me to look to the fruity. Jesus. I never have it so hot. It's hot, but it doesn't look like it. Yeah, it's still there's still a bead. There's still a bit of heat out here. You know what I'm saying? And stuff. So yeah, when we reach, as I said, I'm not gonna be able to show you guys fully. Maybe I'll pick up like mango. I said. Anybody want mango in a bongo? The man in the car just I said, baby, come by. Anyways, so yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you guys anything behind the scenes or anything like that. But you'll just have to wait for it. Like, oh my god, I hope it does really well. I think it will do really well. And it's gonna be informative. So I don't know, foolishness or nothing like that. Yeah. Yeah, right, true. Yeah, girl, substance we deal with, isn't me? So yeah, yeah, as I said, we're just in a bush right now. We're in a bush. Yeah, but it's still bush. This is not people. What is this? Comment down below. Let me know what I'm pointing at. What is it?
Jamaica is overpopulated because can be a lot of people.
That's not true. Anyways, guys, when we reach, which we almost reach, cause literally right up there, so we are go. So, toodaloo. So, guys, Tutti Frutti, I'm so excited.
Yeah, nah.
I got my sorbet. I think it was green apple. Hi, me. Green apple and some like cherry berry. Something. I had it yesterday and I had to come back for it. That's how good it was. Okay.
And cheesecake.
My waffle cone. Kind of soft, but I'm gone. This video is not sponsored, but Tutti Frutti, if you ever want to sponsor me, I think I'm your biggest fan.
In a sense.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Loisha, and we're on a date. In case you guys can't hear me, but yeah, we're on a date. We came to this place in Portmore called Timber Lounge. You guys know this trip. We love food, we sell food. Yeah, right, true?
We love food at the motel.
Yo, we're just depressed by all of the new restrictions and the lockdown. So we said before everywhere locked down again, maybe just go.
And share the vibe with them.
Period. So yeah, that's where I am. Let me show you guys the menu really quick. So that's where they're located. That's what we're doing right now. Let me show you guys what it looks like in here. Say hi.
Wake up.
We have a nice little chill lounge. And like the bar. It's cool. Nice little spot. I always pass it because I come to the hair store in this plaza. And I seen it on Instagram and I was like, wait, we always pass there. Like, let's go try it out. You know what I'm saying? So that's where we're at today. So yeah, we just ordered our appetizers. I'm about to order a drink. And then when it comes, come back soon and make a know what I want. Yeah. Do you guys miss us? It's been a really long time since we vlogged. No, actually it hasn't been. Look at the letters, babe. In a very long time since I've vlogged. But nothing has really been going on and I just don't feel like vlogging in the house, you know? Like there's nothing going on, you guys. We're on lockdown, literally like lockdown. So not Naki, beach not open, not Naki. You know, the biggest excitement recently was the royal wedding. Put up your hands if you guys were in attendance, because I was in attendance both days. I don't know about y'all, but I got my invitation. So, but yeah, when the food comes, we come back to you, because this is the most exciting thing I've done in a while. It's great to be outside. Outside. You know the girl them? Not their I'm so glad I caught that on camera. Do you guys see how extra this man sneezes? You don't feel like him have fits or something. The loaded fries, chicken, bacon, one bag of things, cheese, everything that you can think of is inside of this, okay? Yeah. Y'all could people drinks, I'm not gonna lie, we feel cute. It's so cute, there's Skittles. It's called Candy Crush, yeah girl. And this is Babes, it's so nice and subtle, yeah? Y'all, the fries thing, the loaded fries that we got was so good. Like, we're here trying to detect all the flavors and stuff to try and see if we can recreate it. Baby, that was good. I will come back here just for the loaded fries. The loaded fries was bomb. Bomb.com. Nah, it's not like that. Avabuzz. And again, to me good? Yeah, Avabuzz. It's buzzing right through. Quick taste test. Let's see if people them drinks and see if it tastes as good as it looks. Alright, Candy Crush. Not the game, this nice. Be a taste it. Wow. Watch Mr. Instagram. Him go like him no want nobody on him Instagram, and him say Instagram people. Nobody me no know no post on Instagram like Joel. Him need sponsors because him would do really good. So I'm not saying a lie, but waiting for our mains. When that comes, we will come back and tell you guys. But so far, everything really good. How the drink? Babe, taste the drink now? Give me our ratings. Watch out. I Nick it, watch out. Wait. Oh. How does it taste?
Good.
What does it taste like?
Yes. Can't explain. Yes. Orange juice, pineapple, lemon. Okay, it's hard, but it tastes good. So I mix that.
Mine just has like this sour taste, like it tastes like lime. Yeah, like that's just it. That's the only flavor you taste. So don't mind the colors, but it tastes really good. I love sour things, so this was perfect. All right, bye back to daytime. Toodles. Hey guys, dinner has arrived. So I got the shrimp and chicken fettuccine pasta, just simple. I'm never fussy today. And the goooood.
Back firm now.
Okay, alright. You don't need to announce it every time. He's so numb. Oh, it is. It smells really good.
Great.
The food has seasoning. Yes, like it is. Like I don't know how to explain it, but their flavors are there. Like I'll go consume the people and food and come back. Okay, bye. People, we reach home. I don't know if I mentioned the restaurant's name, but it's Timber Lounge. Yeah, really good, you guys. The food flavorful, like oh my god, like them flavor them food really good. Like really good. Like it exceeded my expectations, baby girl. Like yeah, I was like yeah, do I want to go? But I'm glad I went. Now I have another list of another place to go when I'm hungry, you know? And like the vibes in there and stuff, like there's a lot of like traffic, so you know their food You know, and even if you don't want to drink, like they have like a nice little bar area where you can go and like sit down and like wanna vibes and stuff. Yeah.
Drink,
No, that means say if you don't want food.
Oh, if you don't want drink.
Oh, if you don't want food, you have a bar where you can go drink and stuff like that. So if you're in the St. Catherine, Greater Portmore area and you're looking for a restaurant to check out, I recommend to go to Timber Lounge and check them out. Their food is pretty affordable. I think everything that we got today came up to like $7,000. Stuff like that. Babe got, as you see in the steamed fish.
Good bad steam,
we both got well, Babe's drink wasn't alcoholic, mine was alcoholic. The shrimp and chicken Alfredo pasta. So all of that plus the backside, babe.
Loaded fries.
Plus the loaded fries.
Italian
so everything was it was really good. Really reason why I didn't even remember that. I was just thinking about the two mains and no, you guys, that's really
affordable.
No, that's I'm thinking about it. That's really affordable. And the loaded fries.
Loaded fries have bacon.
Listen, chicken, people, the loaded fries.
All kind of cheese.
If you wanna eat pork, please get both the chicken and the pork, and chicken and the bacon.
Carry its own flavor too.
Oh, I would just go back there just for that alone. Like that.
Facts.
Was good. That was really good. You enjoyed yourself, babe?
Facts.
You enjoyed your fish?
Full job.
Babe enjoyed his fish.
Facts.
Him enjoying fish. For him say him enjoying fish. Him enjoying fish. So yeah, we didn't have to complain about nothing. Season wise, like chef's kiss.
Full job.
So yeah, that was a little date night. I don't know. This is obviously not gonna be a vlog by itself, but yeah, the thing that I was following Babe to do the other day, rain caught we, so we did end up getting to do it, and he doesn't look like he's motivated to do it anymore. So I don't know if there's anything for you guys to look out for, because me soon gone to my yard. By the way, I don't even know if I had told you guys. Whoa, this actually turned into a long something. But I don't know if I had told you guys, but like I posted today on Instagram and people were like, whoa, you're still in Jamaica, because today is March 22nd. March 22nd? Yeah, and I'm still currently in Jamaica, obviously. What did I go say? My COVID test was supposed to be on the 29th of January. And on the 29th of January, my Prime Minister announced that, not Honorable Bro God, my Prime Minister in Canada announced that Trudeau that they were closing the borders. So they're closing the borders off to, not closing the borders, but he was canceling all flights to the Caribbean and Mexico. So seeing as how there is no planes going to Jamaica, I could not get a flight to go home. So I'm stuck till them open the borders, which they open the borders as of April 30th if they do not extend the closures. So me left me at December 21st, and I thought I was gonna be gone like by the first week of January, and I'm still here. So I have like a few, well, if all goes well, I have like a few more weeks here. Yeah. To March?
To more weeks, few more weeks.
No, I need to go back home to work. Yeah. So no, but we didn't come out with gone already. I plan to come back.
Actually, not do that.
Okay, I will be counting down the days right now. Like, oh my god, it's March, April, May, June, July, 4 more months till I go back to Jamaica. Now I really don't know when I'm going back to Jamaica, but I have to come back for my anniversary, so I don't know what to go work out. Yeah, I don't know what to go work out. Either I have to sneak out for the weekend or something like that, but something I have to work out. I have to be here for my anniversary. But yeah, that's the update with me right now, you guys. I'm still currently stuck in Jamaica against my own will. And yeah, so I'll update you guys when I know more in regards to what's going on with that, or you guys will just see me at the airport and know what's up, you know what I'm saying? But as of right now, we're reaching, just going to, y'all, people, I'm full. Like, I didn't even get to eat enough of my pasta. Like, due to all she put the food down in front of me. I take about 2 bites. I take a bite of the chicken. I take a bite of the shrimps, and like that was it for me. Like my full on. Yeah, literally, it was so. We finished that in 6 minutes. Like, we finished that in 6 minutes. Yo. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the vlog. See you in the next part. Whatever that is, whenever that is. So, yeah. Close it out. Close it out. Put your hand on there. Put your hand on there. Something like, yeah. No, come again. You never do it good. Yeah.
Long distance loving. And I really see you often, but every time when I see you, I give you this something. My care can dance from this long thing.